Hello students, today in this video I will tell you about the section formula class 10 and studying ICSE mathematics by ML October. This is the second part of the section formula. In the first part I have told already about the formula and the sum questions. Yeah. So first you will see the first part and then this part. Here are some more questions, exercise 11 of the section formula that you have to do. Like question number 4 is here. The line segment joining 3, 2 and 5, 1 is divided at the point P in the ratio 1:2. 1:2. This is the point, and this point P also lies on the line 3x minus 18y plus k is equal to 0. Means this point P divides this line AB in the ratio 1:2, but also lies on one line, एक और line है 3x minus 18y plus k is equal to 0. You have to find the value of k, this value of. How to find the value of k? First of all, you find the coordinates of this. Suppose this is x comma y, okay? And by using section formula, x is equal to 1 into 5. How to use the section formula I have told in the first video. So 1 into 5 plus 2 into 3 divided by 1 plus 2 means it will be 11 by 3. And y is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2 means 5 by 3. These are the coordinates. So you can write coordinates of P is 11 by 3, 5 by 3. These are the coordinates of the point P. Now you should know the basic knowledge of the equation of line. तो पहले भी बताई जा चुकी है. If in a line a point lies, it means that point should satisfy the equation of line. Satisfy means कि जब हम इसमें we will put the values of x and y here, so that should be satisfied. मतलब left hand side is equal to right hand side, and this point lies on this. It means already satisfied. So you will put x is equal to 11 by 3 and y is equal to 5 by 3 in this equation. Now the point P lies on line 1, so it will satisfy equation of line 1. Now put the value in place of x and y. 11 by 3 into 11 by 3 minus 18 into 5 by 3 and plus k is equal to 0. So it will be 11 minus 30 plus k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 19. This is the value of k. So a simple way you can find the value of k. Now the other questions in which you have to find the ratio or the value of m are using the midpoint formula. अब कुछ questions में midpoint formula भी use किए गए हैं. You can find for example question number 7 is here. The midpoint of the line segment A 3m, 6 and B minus 4 comma 3n, and midpoint of this is, suppose P is the midpoint and the coordinates are 1 comma 2m minus 1. You have to find the value of m and n if these are the this is the midpoint. Midpoint means in the same ratio. So using midpoint formula, x is equal to, as you know, this is the midpoint formula, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. The coordinates of x and y. In place of x, put the 1. First case, x1, 3m, x2 minus 4 divided by 2. So this will be, and y is equal to, in place of y, 2m minus 1 is equal to y1, that is 6 plus 3n by 2. Now simplify 1 by 1. So you will get the value of m and n. Cross multiplication. 3m minus 4 is equal to 2. 3m is equal to 6. So m is equal to 2. After getting the value of m, you can put here. So 2 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 6 plus 3n by 2. 4 minus 1, that is 3, is equal to 6 plus 3n by 2. Cross multiplication. 6 plus 3n is equal to 6, or 3n is equal to 6 minus 6. 3n is equal to 6 minus 6, that is 0. So m is equal to 0. Means values of m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 0. So these are the values by using midpoint formula. Simple way. If you know the formula, you can get the solution. In some questions in which you have to find the value in what ratio like question number 30. In what ratio does the point 5 comma 4? In what ratio does the point 5 comma 4 divide the point line joining the points 2 comma 1 and 7 comma 6? Always, if you draw the figure, that will be easy. Suppose in this case, I have told in the first video, if you want to find that in what ratio, so you have to let point P divides the line AB in K is to 1 ratio. K is to 1 ratio. So यहाँ पे K लिख दे और ratio 1. Then find the value of K by using section formula. So now by using section formula, 5 is equal to K into 7 plus 1 into 2 divided by K plus 1, and y is equal to 4 is equal to K into 6 plus 1 into 1 divided by K plus 1. What do you think? What do you think that the values of K from both the equation you will get the different? No. You will get same values of K. अगर सेम वैल्यूज मिलती हैं तभी ये पॉइंट इस लाइन को डिवाइड करेगा इन 2 पार्ट्स, अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट डिवाइड. मतलब in that if you are getting the different values of K, it means that this point P does not lie on the line. अगर lie ही नहीं करेगा तो डिवाइड कहां से करेगा? So you just think the values of K should be same. ये दोनों में सेम ही है. So some questions in which you have to find the points are collinear or not. Suppose they are given by using the section formula, and check whether the points are collinear or not, A, B, C. तो अगर हमने मान लिया कि कोई एक पॉइंट लाइन कर रहा है and at that point divides the other two points in case to one ratio. So if you are getting the values of k are same, it means the points, मतलब ये जो सारे points है, points are collinear, otherwise points are not collinear. तो इसमें भी यही होना है. तो फर्स्ट यू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, तो 7k plus 2 is equal to 5k plus 5. Simplify, 2k is equal to 5 minus 2. 7k minus 5k, 5 minus 2, so k is equal to 3 by 2. And in this case, again cross multiplication, 6k plus 1 is equal to 4k plus 4. 6k minus 4k, 2k, and then 1, 4 minus 1, that is 3, and you can see this is also 3 by 2. So both values should be same if the point P divides the line AB in case to 1 ratio. And what is the ratio? 3 is to 2. So the ratio is 3 is to 2. This is the ratio. In some question divided by the x-axis divided by y-axis in what ratio? तो जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 है, in 15 a is minus 4,3 and b is 8,6. a is 4, minus, इसको हम यहाँ लिख रहे हैं 4, minus 3 and b is 8, minus 6. Find the length. First of all, find the length of AB. How to find the length of AB? Do you know? Using distance formula. So first part, find AB. Length of AB. मतलब AB की length निकालनी. तो distance formula use करें. Is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square y1 minus y2 whole square. So this will be ये class 9 में ना. x1 means 4 minus 8, x2 means 8, plus y1 means minus 3 and minus minus plus 6 whole square. It will be 4 means 16 and 9. So it will be 25 means 5. This is the length of this line A, 5 units. Now if this in what ratio is the line segment joining AB divided by the x-axis? मतलब ये एक लाइन है जो एक x-axis को डिवाइड करती है. Suppose this is x-axis and this line divide the x-axis at point P. अगर x-axis को कोई भी लाइन डिवाइड करती है in class especially in the reflection also chapter I told you and in the class 9, if the line divides the x-axis, then that point, if you want to let the coordinates of this point, this will be x, 0. क्योंकि it divides the x-axis. अगर y-axis को करनी तो 0, 1. So this is the method to find the coordinates of the point if it divide a line divide the given line at the point P by y-axis or x-axis. So let coordinates of point P be x, 0 divided by x. Now अब मान लेते हैं कि it divides in the k ratio and divide the line AB in k is to 1 ratio. So this you will write the k is to 1 ratio. Now find the value of k. How to find the value of k? कैसे निकलेगा? अगर value of k भाई x से निकालेंगे तो x is the variable and k is also variable. तो use this way means value of 1. तो यूजिंग सेक्शन फार्मूला अभी हम देखिए x इज इक्वल टू मान ले तो k इंटू 8 प्लस 1 इंटू 4 डिवाइडेड बाई k प्लस 1 एंड y इज इक्वल टू k इंटू माइनस 6 and 1 into minus 3 divided by k plus 1. Now you have to find the value of k. And in place of x ही put किया जाएगा, in place of y 0. So you will write here 0 is equal to minus 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1. Do the cross multiplication. तो ये तो 0 ही हो जाएगा and this you will get minus 6k minus 3 is equal to 0. So what is the value of k? Can you get the value of k? Minus 6k minus 3 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 3 by 6, 1 by 2 minus. This is the value of k. And after getting the value of k, you can this is the ratio. अब ratio क्या हो जाएगा? What is the ratio is 1:2. अब यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन. ऐसा इसलिए होता है कि if you are getting the value of k is positive. Positive means the internal division, मतलब एक लाइन ये है तो कहीं बीच में कट करना है. और minus if you are getting, it means the point divide the line on producing, तो बाहर की ओर है. So that is for the external. Now if you, in the question asking to find the coordinate also, मतलब point B के coordinate, तो जो k की वैल्यू निकली है उसको यहाँ रख दे तो x की वैल्यू निकल आएगी. And then you will get the value of x and y already 0. ये तो 0 है, तो that comma 0, the value of x comma 0. By this way you can find it. So these are the questions and some more questions based on the length of median. तो using in 7, 18, 19 ये सब using distance formula भी है और section formula भी है. तो one more video I think I will make for this chapter. Okay, thank you. See the complete video.